Morning, Phil Cross here at Heyward Toyota. I'm a Toyota Pro. I've been with Toyota 6 years, been a Pro for 5, so I take pride in my product knowledge, but especially my customer service. And now I'm going to show you a 2019 Highlander LE Plus. I originally sold and I also took it on trade as they had an increase in the size of their family, so they needed a bigger vehicle and they drove home in a Sienna. But here we go. Here we have an LE Plus in Blizzard Pearl pearlescent finish. Fog lights, LED daytime running lights. Again, this vehicle's got only 7,200 miles on it. Two-tone alloy wheels. You have blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert. Heated mirrors, tinted windows. This is going to have the cloth insert with the soft tech exterior. You are going to have the power driver's seat. Toyota safety sense is standard. You got automatic high beams. Just set it, forget about it. Lane departure alert, dynamic radar, cruise control, pre-collision with pedestrian detection. All those features I'll go over when you come out and check it out. Also, when you come out, I'll show you how they work, with the exception of the pre-collision system. You have all your controls here for your audio, channel selection, Bluetooth. Again, you can put 5 smartphones on here. Your backup camera will show up on this screen. Don't make me come back there, mirror. Plenty of storage here in this center vanity. You can drop the shelf down and you've got your pass-through. 5 USB ports, 3 up front, 2 in the second row. You can also put the seats down as I did over there. There's additional USB ports, and you also have a power lift gate. This is Phil Cross, Heyward Toyota, Athens, Georgia. Give me a call,